The bus station was loud in the ordinary way, engines sighing, people dragging luggage, announcements echoing off concrete walls, but the Navy soldier barely noticed any of it. He sat stiffly on a metal bench in his dress uniform, sea bag at his feet, eyes fixed forward. To everyone else, he probably looked strong and unbreakable. Inside, though, everything felt cracked open. He had just come from a funeral. Not a military one. A small, quiet service for his mother, the last person who had written him letters during deployments, who never missed a birthday no matter where he was stationed. Now he was headed back to base with nothing but silence waiting for him. When his phone buzzed with a reminder to report by morning, something in him finally gave way. His shoulders shook, and before he could stop himself, tears slid down his face. He turned slightly, hoping no one would notice. That was when a small voice cut through the noise. "Please don't cry, ma'am, you can borrow my dad." He looked down, startled. A little girl, maybe 6 or 7, stood in front of him holding a pink backpack nearly as big as her. Her hair was in uneven pigtails, and her face was serious in the way only children can manage. Behind her stood a man in jeans and a worn jacket, clearly her father, frozen mid-step with shock written all over his face. The soldier let out a broken laugh through his tears. "I'm not a ma'am," he said gently, wiping his face. "But thank you." The girl frowned, studying him, then nodded as if adjusting her plan. "Okay. Still, you look really sad. My dad is good at hugs. He can sit with you if you want." The father rushed forward, embarrassed. "I'm so sorry," he said quickly. She thinks everyone needs help when they're crying." The soldier shook his head. "No, it's okay," he said. "She's not wrong." The little girl took that as permission. She climbed onto the bench beside him without asking and swung her legs. "My dad cries too," she said matter-of-factly. "But he says it's only because he's strong enough to." That did it. The soldier covered his face with his hand, overwhelmed, not just by grief, but by the strange kindness of a stranger who didn't know to look away. The father hesitated, then sat on the other side. They didn't talk at first. They just sat there, the three of them, while the noise of the station flowed around them. The little girl leaned her head against the soldier's arm like it was the most natural thing in the world.